Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move up to this button at the center so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And one of these buttons is the button with the aspect ratio. As you can see, now we are in 4:3. We can pick also the square one, so the background has changed to the square 1:1. Another tap here and we can move to 16:9, the longer ratio. And of course, when we pick this button once again, you can go to whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.